Now, let's turn to the project management environment. We'll begin with enterprise environmental factors. In this presentation, we're going to talk about how the PMP exam covers the project environment. We'll also go into detail about the enterprise environmental factors. In the examination content outline for the PMP, remember that all of this background information about the environment is essential for the knowledge and practice of project management. On the PMP exam, there's not a target percentage of questions related to the project management environment. The environment is a topic embedded within cross-cutting knowledge and skills, and it's relevant to all the domains in the exam content outline. Some exam questions will directly cover the project management environment. Others will indirectly involve the project management environment. And then some of the skills and tasks under the domains will refer to information included in the project management environment. The project is subject to many influences. So there's basically an ecosystem for each project consisting of organizations, systems, and structures, both internal and external, with both positive and negative influence. These influences are enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets, organizational systems, organizational structures, and the Project Management Office, or PMO. This diagram shows the outline of all of these influences, predominantly the enterprise environmental factors and the organizational process assets. Notice that the organization is both an EEF and an OPA because it is an internal environmental factor, and the process assets also belong to the organization. Let's talk more about the enterprise environmental factors, abbreviated as EEFs. What are enterprise environmental factors? They are the conditions not under the control of the project team that influence, constrain, or direct the project. They can be internal or external to the performing organization. They could have either positive or negative impact on the project outcomes. They could enhance the project options or constrain the project options. Note that enterprise environmental factors are inputs to 41 out of the 49 processes. EEFs are especially important for processes in planning, especially the baseline processes, and processes involving soft skills. The EEFs are less important for monitoring and controlling processes. Here are enterprise environmental factors internal to the organization. You should be familiar with all of these examples because they could appear on the exam and make the difference in the correct answer. The general types of EEFs are corporate culture, the geographic distribution of resources and facilities, the infrastructure that could be referred to as the physical plant or hardware, the information technology software, resource availability, and employee capabilities. External to the organization, there are many enterprise environmental factors. Again, be familiar with these examples. The categories are marketplace conditions, such as the competitive set, social and cultural trends, government or industry standards, legal restrictions, financial considerations, physical environment, such as the weather, commercial databases, and academic research. Remember that the EEFs can be positive or negative. The last two influences, the commercial databases and academic resources, are more on the positive side and provide support to the project. In this presentation, we talked about how the PMP exam covers the project environment, and we talked specifically about enterprise environmental factors.